Feria Valencia has drawn up a protocol to ensure its premises are secure against Covid-19. When you arrive, you will find a control point for checking your body temperature and providing face masks and a alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Access will be in a strict order without personal contact. We will manage the distance between people in queues, boost digital, paperless methods of providing customer care, use protection screens. On the fair premises, you will note that we have expanded the exhibition areas and corridors to reduce the density of visitors. We have also laid out the exhibition furniture and widened the access points to the same end. The talks, workshops and other parallel events can be followed over the internet. Visitor capacity and distancing will be carefully controlled in the meeting rooms, which will be disinfected after each use. We will foster the use of our mobile app to ensure a paperless experience. The app will provide you with your electronic pass, all the information on the event, all the security and safety information you need. Hygiene measures will be taken throughout the fair premises, including the use of alcohol-based hand sanitizers, air renewal systems, and intensive cleaning and disinfection. Last but not least, we have beefed up our medical service. We have drawn up protocols to meet any contingency, laying on a space for special care should this prove necessary. We are taking all these measures because the safety of exhibitors and visitors is paramount to us at all times and under all circumstances. Feria Valencia.